We found that people living with dementia were finding it difficult to complete normal puzzles unassisted. Carers were often having to use children's jigsaws to fill the gap, which can be patronising and cause frustration. So we want to design a range of respectful puzzles to suit their needs and abilities. The 13-piece puzzle is the easiest in our range and suitable for people with mid to late stage dementia. Each puzzle consists of 13 pieces that can be assembled within the frame and on a specially printed backing board that is designed to assist and encourage the individual to complete the puzzle themselves. The puzzles are made from plastic, making them extremely durable and easy to clean, meeting infection control compliance. Our range of 13-piece puzzles has a selection of beautiful images that have been carefully chosen to stimulate memories and conversation once a puzzle is completed.